So I just did sour cream and sour cream. You guys chose this?
Hey guys, it's Katie.
And Jasmine.
And welcome to Lost in Translation.
Thanks to your love and support, we are now officially a series. Woohoo! So we'll have a new episode every week for the next 4 weeks. Make sure you're subscribed and your notification bell is turned on.
If this is your first time here, what we do is we take a recipe, we put it through Google Translate. It goes from English to Indonesian to Pashto to Basque and many, many, many more until finally back to English to give us a really hilariously translated recipe.
I've gone to torture my friends Katie, Kelly, and Mimo, which was so much fun.
But now you are back in the hot seat and we got a recipe from you guys, so let's go. Get in there.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know how much you're gonna love them after you get the recipe.
Oh.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Where's Mimo?
Mimo's on vacation. Lauren is here doing sound. She might give you some clues. But just because she's not here doesn't mean you guys won't see her.
I really did a number on her, didn't I?
Are you ready to do this?
Always. A candy box! I love candy.
Oh, yay!
I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Step 1, bring it to Josh. Break the 3 fruit. Reduce heat to medium and cook for 12 minutes. Josh, 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 Josh. Bring it to Josh. Who could Josh possibly be? Heat up your pan. Bring water up to boil. Because the end of that sentence is reduce heat to medium and cook for 12 minutes. Josh wants boiling hot water. That's what Josh is gonna get. Lemons? Boil 3 lemons? I'd like to use a hint.
Really?
Just to get us on the right track.
Who would you like your hint from?
Katie.
Oh my God, I got picked first. The 3 things you break or something you often eat for break
Eggs?
fast.
I might have done lemons, so I'm happy I used the hint.
Have you boiled lemons before?
That's what I was gonna say.
You never know what's happening when you're up here. Anything goes. Okay, we're gonna do 3 eggs in my massive pot. We're gonna leave this for 12 minutes and then we'll move on to step 2. All right, step number 2. Oily ice rubs against the skin and it's easy. I think oily ice is putting the eggs in an ice bath and then the skin is the shell and with the ice it's like, and then it's easier to crack. I'm gonna take the eggs out. Give them the ice. Time to crack our eggs. Just take it out, and then we're gonna peel it. I've done this before. I feel like this really does help peel the eggs better.
So do you think this bath helped?
It's not easy. I'll be back before we move on to step 3. Step number 3, make a quilt bed. In bowl, combine 3 dried berries, 1 tablespoon of fried beef, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, salt, and pineapple. In bowl, I can do that. I can do bowl. Dried berries, dried berries, dried berries, dried berries. My eggs are my dried berries. You guys chose this? I'm about to cry because of Josh. What is fried beef? Chopped parsley, actually. Beef bouillon! Okay, I changed my mind. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of beef bouillon. Where'd I put it? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon. I use bouillon all the time in my soups and my stocks and stuff.
Do you ever put it in not soups and stocks?
Oh no. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. I think lemon zest. All right, all aboard. 1/4 cup mayonnaise. I'm gonna trust this one. I don't really trust people who don't like mayo.
I don't love mayo.
Sorry. Salt and pineapple. Salt and pepper? I'll just do like a dash and then some black pepper. Make a mixture. I guess I will combine all of this. Step number 4, cut 12 pieces of white paper with a sharp knife. Cut, cut, cut.
Cut, we're cutting, we're done, we're done.
I think cut 12 pieces of white paper, white bread. White bread. Brioche. There's a baguette. Perhaps we should do this. There's not enough mixture for 12 pieces of bread, so I am
Lost.
in translation. All right, I am gonna cut the bread into 12 slices. I can't even grip this properly. It makes me feel like I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna cut this into 12 slices. I'll be right back. Okay, my bread is sliced. Let's move on to step 5. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup cream fries and 2 cup cheese until they get along well. Oh no, there's cream cheese. Sour cream, creme fraiche. I kind of want to say sour cream. 1 cup cream fries is 1 cup sour cream. 2 cups cheese is 2 cups creme fraiche.
She's staring at me.
I know. Don't give in.
1 cup of cream fries, I'm going with 1 cup sour cream.
Have you ever cooked with creme fraiche before?
Once I was making a sweet dessert. Gonna combine all of this. Tastes like sour cream.
It is.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, creme fraiche is like, it has more fat and it's like a thicker sour cream.
So I just did sour cream and sour cream. Now I'm gonna mix this until they get along. Looks like they get along great because they're the same. Step 6, to make the fish, bring the 8 finished fish into a small bowl. Fish! Oh my God! Smoked salmon, smoked trout, wild mackerel, 8 finished fish, I think is 8 slices of smoked salmon. Step number 7, add more ½ cup sour cream, 2 tablespoons in onion, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, and old chili powder. Wash and dry. Oh, it was cream cheese. I think add more ½ cup sour cream is to take ½ cup from here and put it over my smoked salmon. For 2 tablespoons in onion, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of onion powder. 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Gotta make the lemons juicy. Roll them out first. I'm gonna just eyeball 3 tablespoons. Old chili powder, I think is cayenne. So I'm just gonna add how much I like. I think wash and dry is like mix and stir. Am I confident right now? Absolutely not. This looks yummy. At least it looks delicious. Step number 8, flour butter. Place 4 loaves on the table. Flour, butter, butter, bread. Butter your bread. Place 4 loaves on the table. 4 loaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flour is bread. Butter the bread. I like to butter my buns. Let's just go with unsalted, because you can always salt it. I feel like I should have toasted the bread. Let's move on to step 9. Sprinkle 1/3 of the cream on the cream over the breadcrumbs and sprinkle with chopped grapes. Sprinkle 1/3 of the cream. Which cream? Let's do this. I'm gonna go with the cream on the cream. Some cream on the cream on my breadcrumbs. Just an even layer. Sprinkle with chopped grapes. I feel like grapes could not possibly mean grapes. I feel like the only similar thing I have right now are these radishes. Rad-eye.
Is that the plural for radishes?
Absolutely. So I think that chopped grapes is sliced radishes. My rad-eye are sliced. Now let's sprinkle them onto our loaves. Let's move on to step 10. Spoon the onion into the cream cheese layer and spread evenly. Lay 4 layers of bread on top. Step 10, I think this calls for a hint.
Ooh. Who would you like your hint from? You can do Kelly or Lauren.
Lauren, let's see how quality are your hints?
This onion lives in the water.
I guess she means fish. And I do have my fish mixture here. I am going to take my onion mixture, which is my fish mixture here, and I guess I'll cover my beautiful works of art. 4 layers of bread on top means just 1 on each one. Am I making little sandwiches? Step 11, pour the next layer over the cream cheese mass and fold in the onions. More onions. I think repeat. I'm doing it. I'm just doing another layer of my sour cream. I'm currently wondering how one could fit this into their mouth. Fold in the onions. Chives! I forgot about chives. I love chives. So we should use that. On top or in here? Probably on the bread. Step 12. Finally, brush the fruit salad with the cream cheese and pour 4 slices of pan on top. Then the cream cheese. Okay, so what I think this means is add now the egg salad over the cream cheese and then 1 more layer of bread. So now I have to take my bread and put it on top. Maybe I should have went with the other bread. Step 13, cake. Cut slices of ham, to 3 inches long. They're already 3 inches long. Make a flower by rolling and stainlessing one of the ends.
You have one clue left. Don't forget.
Dearest Kelly, may I use my final hint?
These flowers are from the sea.
This onion lives in the water.
I'll make smoked salmon roses. I've done this with prosciutto before, and I've done it with avocados. Beautiful.
Pretty.
Stainlessing means roll it from one end to the other. My salmon roses are done. They look so cute. Step 14. The cake is baked with long strings of carrots, microwave, fried fish, dill, and various onion ribbons. I think that the cake is baked means cake is served. So first I am going to plate my candy boxes. Long strings of carrots. You know what, I'll do chives, but then I feel like the roses should go on first. So I'm gonna put the roses on. Long strings of carrots, that's probably correct. Okay, what's next? Microwave is microgreens. I think my fried fish is my salmon rose. Dill, I actually think it might be dill. Okay, little piece of dill and various onion ribbons. I would have guessed chives, but because I already did one long thing of chives, I will just skip that. Final step! Step 15, serve in pieces. Have fun! Sure did. Candy box.
How do you feel?
You know, I definitely have feelings.
Let me go grab.
Do you think the audience is gonna be let down because of how accurate I got it?
Yeah, I think they're gonna be like, wow, she's so good. Open your eyes.
I mean, beautiful.
This cake is a Swedish sandwich cake, also known as a smorgastorta.
I mean, it's beautiful. I think I obviously did a different version. I'm gonna try mine first. Tastes like brunch, filled with flavor, very umami, a little too tall. All right, I'm gonna try smorgastorta now. The layers are kinda what I did. Cheers. That's pretty good. The cream cheese really helps balance everything out. This one, good.
Should we try it?
If you so dare. Honestly, this one tastes like a bagel. Salty.
Oh my God.
Why am I going for another bite?
Katie loves it. This is a win. This was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for your suggestion, and make sure to tune in next week. Bye.
It's like a hockey puck.
Yeah.
Someone please draw up what you think Josh looks like so we can put him on a t-shirt. Shout out to all the Joshes watching.
I feel like Josh is just a big egg.
An egghead.
For the next 4 weeks, we will have an episode every week coming out in the next 4 weeks. And
How many of us? What?
every week.